Hello everybody, I am Amit Kumar Pandey, PGT Computer Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya Aliganj. Uh, During this COVID-19 pandemic, for teaching a student of class 11th and 12th, I have used one innovative idea for online teaching. The topic of innovative idea was the creation of a blog for students studying computer science as a subject in class 11th and 12th. And this is the name of blog. The name of blog is pythonforstudents.blogspot.com. And now, what was the need for the blog? One of the major tasks of a teacher is nowadays believed to be trying to improve digital competence of students so that they are able to use ICT in the modern community. Blogging can also provide a really diverse learning experience for teachers and students. It promotes autonomous learning by students. So these all were the needs for which innovative idea was planned. In addition of that, one of the main reason for developing this blog was since there is no textbook for computer science developed by NCERT for newly inducted syllabus of computer science at 11th and 12th standard, this blog provide concise and according to syllabus content to students. In addition of that, keeping in mind about above need, a blog created this blog was created for a student of class 11th and 12th studying computer science with Python as programming language. Now during implementation phase, the blog was developed using blogspot.com website. In the blog, unit wise and chapter wise notes also uploaded in blog, and students are making notes in their notebooks according to their convenience, so that it saves a lot of teaching time during live classes. Chapter wise solved and unsolved questions and answers also uploaded in blog for students practice. Syllabus that revised syllabus and sample projects are also uploaded on the blog. List of practicals to be conducted for class 11th and 12th in Python are also uploaded. In addition of that, various source codes of programming in Python programming language are also uploaded in the blog. Now after what I feel after implementing this blog system during online teaching, since content of blog was posted according to latest revised syllabus of class 11th and 12th computer science, students found it very useful and are using it quite frequently. In addition of that, students as well as teachers of other Vidyalayas are also using this blog content for teaching learning process. These are the glimpses of the blog created. These are different options. Here in this option, 11th class options are there. In this menu item, 12th class all chapters are there. Now I am going to display the live website. Here it is. You can see the live of the blog. This is my home page. Here all the monthly tests that I have conducted during last 4 and 5 months. All the links are uploaded here also. Topic wise assignments, MCQ and question and answer are also uploaded. Here all the chapters of class 11s are uploaded. For example, list tuple and dictionary. If we click on this option, all the notes of the topic will be displayed here in PDF format. Similarly, all chapters of class 12th, syllabus, practical list, miscellaneous items, sample papers, question bank, etc. And these are source codes. Thank you very much.